Hey everyone! The LG Gram 14 represents LG's continued commitment to ultra-lightweight productivity laptops, now refreshed with AMD's latest Gorgon Point platform. As the smallest member of the newly introduced Gram lineup, which also includes 15, 16, and 17-inch models, the 14-inch variant focuses on portability without sacrificing battery life or modern hardware capabilities. First introduced in LG's home market following its preview at CES 2026, the new Gram 14 signals a forward-looking shift toward AI-enhanced processors and improved efficiency, with global availability planned later in the year. At the core of the new Gram 14 is AMD's Gorgon Point processor family, bringing Ryzen AI 5 435 and Ryzen AI 7 450 configurations to the lineup. These chips emphasize a balance between performance and energy efficiency with integrated AI acceleration aimed at modern productivity workloads. Whether it's real-time video enhancements, AI-assisted content creation, or advanced multitasking, the platform feels purpose-built for today's hybrid work demands. Even the base configuration with 16 gigs of LPDDR5X memory and 512 gigs of PCIe 4.0 storage offers enough headroom for serious multitasking, while higher-end variants push up to 32 gigs of RAM for more demanding professional users. True to the Gram name, portability remains the defining feature. Weighing just 1.12 kilograms, the laptop feels remarkably light for a device housing a substantial 72 watt-hours battery. LG has consistently positioned the Gram series around the idea of all-day computing without the burden of extra weight, and this generation continues that philosophy. The display maintains a practical and conservative approach. The 14-inch panel features a 1920 by 1200 resolution in a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering additional vertical space that benefits document editing and web browsing. The screen is sharp enough for everyday use and bright enough for most indoor environments, though heavy outdoor use in direct sunlight may push its limits. LG's choice here aligns with the Gram's identity as a productivity-focused ultralight rather than a multimedia powerhouse. Storage and memory options are modern and well-suited to the target audience. PCIe 4.0 SSD support ensures fast boot times and responsive application launches, while LPDDR5X memory provides improved bandwidth and lower power consumption compared to previous generations. These specifications ensure that even the entry-level model feels quick and fluid in daily operation. Pricing in Japan starts at $1,395 for the Ryzen AI 5 model with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. Looking ahead, LG has also confirmed that Intel Panther Lake variants will join the lineup later this year, offering consumers an alternative platform choice. This dual architecture strategy reflects LG's attempt to broaden the Gram's appeal across different performance preferences and regional market demands. Overall, the LG Gram 14 continues to refine what the Gram brand stands for: extreme portability paired with impressive battery capacity and modern internals. It doesn't chase flashy features or radical design changes. Instead, it focuses on delivering a dependable, featherweight productivity machine that can travel effortlessly while lasting through extended work sessions. For professionals, students, and frequent travelers who prioritize weight, endurance, and balanced performance over gaming or cutting-edge display technology, the latest Gram 14 stands as a compelling evolution of LG's ultralight formula. Thanks for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, what can you do for free? Have a nice day and God bless you.